This workstation is designed to utilize industrial robots to automate the welding of protective fences for excavator cabs, significantly enhancing welding efficiency, ensuring the consistency and strength of weld quality, meeting increasingly strict safety standards, and simultaneously reducing labor costs and intensity. The construction machinery industry is highly competitive, with extremely high demands for product quality, production efficiency, and cost control. As a key safety component, the welding quality of guardrails is directly related to the life safety of drivers. Traditional manual welding has problems such as low efficiency, large quality fluctuations, and difficulty in recruitment. At the same time, global safety regulations, such as ISO, OSHA, are constantly raising requirements for cab protection levels, and there is an urgent need for stable and efficient automated welding solutions to ensure compliance and product competitiveness. Technical highlights of this workstation: short and numerous weld seams. Tooling fixtures confirm the welding position, ensure penetration depth, prevent deformation, and ensure welding quality. The fixtures can be switched quickly as a whole and are highly compatible. The 3-axis linkage H-type positioner, in combination with the custom assembly, enables 360 degrees no blind spot positioning in the cab fence space. Complex 3-dimensional welds can be clamped in one go, increasing production capacity by more than 60%. The 3-axis positioner with a custom welding gun achieves 100% welding success. The 3-axis positioner isolates the person from the robot, enhancing the safety of the operation.